All right, we're parked.
Wow, look at that view.
It's so pretty. Yeah, so cool. Wow, look at the rain. Yeah, let's jump. Okay. Let's make something. Yeah, what is it?
Look, the ingredients.
Cool, let's see. What's that, Leo?
I'm gonna wash these veggies.
Ooh, can I watch?
Sure, look at the water go.
Chopping carefully. Wow, look at that. Be careful, Emma.
So cool.
All done. Can I help, Emma?
Okay, but let's be gentle.
Teamwork. Like this? Perfect. Let's get the pot.
I'll help.
Okay, on the stove.
Look, it's steaming. Wow, it's steaming. Look, it's turning into rain.
So pretty on the window.
Yeah, magical.
Stirring the soup to get the flavors blended.
Smells amazing. Almost ready?
Just about.
Smells amazing.
Almost done. Is it ready yet?
I'm so hungry. Is it good? It's delicious. Yay, my turn. Let's set the table.
Okay, I'll get the other bowls.
Great job. Thanks. This soup is so good.
Yeah, it's my favorite. Me too.
Time for bed, my loves. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mommy.
Love you. I love you too.